Hello everyone, in this video, we're unboxing the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Its packaging has this kind of bling feel. The official price is $50. We'll unbox it now. More people would probably buy the white ceramic one because white is a classic that never goes out of style. And I feel that the colors of the white and this purple one are quite similar. This is the universal charging cable. This is the band itself. We'll open the packaging now. There are no buttons on its surface, so you need to use the charger to activate it for the first time. Let's take a look at its texture. A curved screen, a very gentle purple. This purple is really very light. The back has a monochrome design, which looks much better than the previous generation. The texture of the ceramic is cool to the touch, and the overall weight has a bit of a substantial feel in the hand. This is how it looks on the wrist. What do you guys think of this look? We'll now power it on and give it a try. After powering it on, the phone will pop up with Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Ceramic Edition. Found. We click connect. Please install Mi Fitness first, so let's install it. After clicking install, it will start downloading directly. Let's first see if it can connect within the Mi Home app. It doesn't work, which means we still have to go back to the Mi Fitness app to connect. Add device. This will show Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Ceramic Edition. After pairing successful. After you buy it, there's a new version. The push to the phone is complete, and the band is now updating its firmware. Let's wait for the update to finish. The immersive feeling of this pure black interface is very good. Update successful, the system will restart. Its biggest appeal to me this time is the symmetrical bezels on all four sides. I don't really care about the other thing. This is the situation with its front bezel. To be honest, this bezel is still quite noticeable. If the next generation is to be upgraded, the bezel width should be slightly smaller, but from a distance, the difference should be minimal. So I think this should be the complete form of the Xiaomi Smart Band. Even if it's upgraded again, it will only be minor tweaks. It's hard to have a bigger change than what we have now. Let's look at its screen. The whole transition has a stepped edge. Its really impressive point is that they've made it into this kind of decorative item. I used to feel that bands like this were more about practical functions because the previous Xiaomi Smart Bands were always this key-shaped design. The appearance was passable, but in the last 2 years, especially since the previous generation, and especially the ceramic version, it's really become more of a decorative accessory than a functional device. And its practical value is also very high. So this generation will definitely be very popular. And now let's change the watch face. Now let's install this capybara watch face. This is the capybara watch face. Let's see if there are any animations. It seems there aren't any, but it's really cute. Okay, that's it for this video's unboxing of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Ceramic Edition, the purple one. If you're buying the ceramic version, you might consider this purple color. The white is too bright, a little bit glaring. The purple is much better. As for the gray, I don't think it looks particularly good on ceramic. The purple looks very nice. As for the internal functions and whatnot, Xiaomi has been making smart bands for 10 generations, so there's really no need to worry. They do a very good job. See you in the next video. Goodbye.